cool. Yeah, she's like, what are we doing? Oh, look at that. Inside of the building. Space out smoke. We're gonna come back through so then you can pay attention. So we know which So this is an invasion station. They have a lot of photo ops and merchandise. We landed in Roswell in 1947. Apparently this is where the aliens go shop. Pretty cool. Oh, that is cool. Roswell 47. U.S. Army restricted. That is cool. That is cool. Even the lampposts have alien heads. Oscar Robin, alien. And of course there's McDonald's. Just some aliens hanging out in front. One even working through the drive-thru. Right. Roswell, New Mexico, McDonald's. Go check that out. You even have aliens through the drive-thru. Let me get some pictures and then out of this world. Out of this world. This is cool. Roswell spacewalk in Roswell, New Mexico. It's all like black light. That is cool. Look, there's flying cows.
Proceed to probing station. Body scan complete. Proceed to probing station.
That is cool.
Body scan complete. Proceed to probing station. Body scan complete. Proceed to probing station. Body scan complete. Proceed to probing station.
Follow the footprints. Alright, let's follow the footprints. Oh, cool. It's like Sasquatch.
The scariest picture about
See? No. Yeah, it's the worst when you think you're taking a picture of something and you flip it around and you're like, ah, I wasn't expecting that. It's okay. Hi. Yeah? Whoa.
This way, humanoids.
This way, humanoid. She's hiding in the bush.
This way, humanoids.
Oh my god, look at that. Look at that alien.
Delicious humans.
He's a real man eater.
Delicious humans. Delicious humans.
I love what he did with his hair. Is that a horn?
I think it's a horn.
He's horny for ya.
Who made it out?
He's horny for ya.
It's what happens when you use words.
It's okay. Well, that's a little alien up there. Yeah, I didn't see the green one. Like hieroglyphs on the wall.
They've seen too much.
That's a bad thing to happen. He could be on Grimm. Grimm or one of the supernatural. I give up. Look at the one behind you. With a space alien gun.